got a 2021 Bowman Draft Super Jumbo Box. All right, good luck, Rob. Thanks so much for hopping in. Here we go. All right, again, no paper-based ships out of this, Rob. Thanks again for hopping back in. Best of luck. Get some nice color this time around for you. Got a Lawler Chrome. Refractors, Ivan Herrera, Rodriguez, Benelis, Owen Kettlington. And we've got purple for the D-backs, a Adrian Del Castillo. Catcher for the D-backs. Purple there. Heard a boom. That was Caleb's. All right, paper. Got purple paper at a 250 for the Red Sox, Tristan Casas. Invicta, Jackson Merrill for the Padres. Refractors, Martinez, Crow Armstrong, Nikhazy, Bonanzi. Paper. Job Chrome. We've got Aqua Lava first out of 199, Gavin Williams for Cleveland. Michael Harris, Pete Crow Armstrong, Tyler Madison, Brandon Boyser, and auto for the Angels, pitcher Luke Murphy. Luke Murphy first auto. Paper. Green first to 99, Tyler McDonough, Boston. Got refractors, Bulvas, Cuero, Mason Black, Drew Gray. Paper. Again, you can find everything we've got. LaytonSportsCards.com underneath the Personals tab. No one in queue after Rob. You know, if you're looking for anything specific, their website is LaytonSportsCards.com. Paper. Benny Chrome, Brady House. We've got green speckle first out of 99, Gavin Williams for the Indians. Refractors, Adele Amador, South Relic, Basabe, Elmer Rodriguez Cruz, and nice one here for the Rays. Refractor auto out of 499, Cooper Kinney. Nice hit there, Rob. 656 out of 499, Cooper Kinney. Top 5, I would say, is we've got Henry Davis, Marcelo Meyer, Benny Montgomery, Lawler. Who am I missing? Henry Davis, Lawler, Montgomery, Meyer. Why am I missing? I'm blanking on Colton Cowser. That's who it is. Orioles. That's who I say the top 5 would be. And then after that, like South Frelick. I feel like Cooper Kinney's in the top 10. Brady House. Jackson Jobe. I forgot about him as well. We got Jose Salas refractor. Henry Davis refractor. Nice. Tiedemann. Ziegler. Paper. Right. Paper. Got for the Mariners, purple out of 250, Bryce Miller. Yeah, no problem. Got refractor, Russell Smith, Ronnie Mauricio, Marco Luciano, Reed Trimble. We've got blue wave for the Cardinals first to 150, a Zane Mills. Zane Mills. Refresh my queue real quick. Paper. Got Jared H up next. Thanks for sending your order over. We got Bowman Draft Sapphire and Prism Multi-Pack. Sounds good, Jared. You are up next. No one in queue after Jared. Hauser Chrome. Got Refractor, Stephen Hajar, Eric Pena, Casas, Matthew Nelson. Paper. All right, last pack here for you, Rob. Lawler Genesis. Got for the Blue Jays, nice color match here. Blue out of 150 or Elvis Martinez. Trent DeVoe, JT Schwartz, Ed Howard, Sam Bachman. And we have for the Mariners, first auto, second baseman, Tyler Black. Brewers auto. Paper. All right. Last set of cards here. We've got Sky Blue, first out of 499, Ruben Ibarra for the Reds. Marcelo Meyer Chrome. Refractors, Joe Mack, Jordy Barley, Blaze Jordan, and Joe Rock. All right, that'll do it for you, Rob. Thanks once again for hopping back in. We do appreciate you. Congrats on the hits, and we'll be getting them right out to you.